Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install tenancy and lease templates with Rocket Lawyer. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Type Rocket Lawyer into the search bar and press enter. Once the site loads, look for the sign in or create an account button. If you don't have an account, click on create an account and fill in the required details. After setting up your account, log in using your credentials. Navigate to the search bar on the home page. Type tenancy and lease templates into the search bar and press enter. Browse through the available templates displayed on the results page. Select the template that best suits your needs by clicking on it. You will be directed to a page with more details about the template. Click on the Customize or Use Template button to start the customization process. Fill in the necessary fields with your specific information. Take your time to ensure that all details are accurate. Once completed, review the template for any errors or omissions. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure everything is correct. When you are satisfied, find the Download or Save button. Choose your preferred file format, such as PDF or Word. Click the button to download your customized tenancy or lease template. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. Open the file to ensure it has downloaded correctly. You can now print it out or share it digitally as needed. That's it. You have successfully installed your tenancy and lease templates using Rocket Lawyer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.